When we talk about nickel EV batteries, at some point, we also have to talk about the nickel-free battery alternatives being developed. One of them is lithium ferrophosphate, or LFP. You've probably heard about LFP before. In Indonesia, some begin to speculate, will it overtake nickel batteries in popularity? And if it does, what will happen to Indonesia's nickel? LFP is indeed gaining popularity globally. In China, LFP is widely used. Fast Market Price Reporting Agency found that LFP accounted for nearly 66% of China's total battery output in the first 6 months of 2023. And the numbers continue to climb. Putra Adiguna, Managing Director of Energy Shift Indonesia, said that LFP battery is cheaper and more suitable for short-distance driving. It potentially has a higher demand in Asia. But he doesn't think that LFP will overshadow nickel.
Kemungkinan di dalam 10 tahun ke depan akan terjadi peningkatan jumlah kendaraan listrik secara sangat masif. Kalaupun setengah dari kendaraan listrik tersebut menggunakan baterai LFP, itu tetap akan berarti akan ada pertumbuhan baterai nikel yang sangat masif. Nah, inilah yang kadang-kadang jarang dibahas, bahwa di dalam market yang growth rate-nya sebesar electric vehicle ini, dua-duanya akan tumbuh pesat. Jadi secara skala, pertumbuhan baterai nikel akan tetap tumbuh dan juga baterai LFP akan tetap tumbuh.
Muhammad Zulfikar Ahmad, Director of China-Indonesia Desk at Research Institute Celios, agrees with this view. He said that nickel still dominates Chinese investments in Indonesia.
Indonesia masih terfokus untuk mengkapitalisasi nikel kita yang jumlahnya terbesar di dunia. Diskursus pemerintah yang selalu mengatakan hilirisasi dan ini semua berkaitan dengan nikel. Kemudian yang kedua adalah bagaimana dalam hubungan Indonesia dan China, investasi paling besar adalah di sektor nikel, terutama di Indonesia Timur, di Sulawesi, di Morowali.
Nevertheless, Indonesia realizes it cannot place all its bets on just nickel. Now, we also want to get our hands on LFP. Last year, LBM Energi Baru Indonesia broke ground on a new LFP factory in Kendal, Central Java. LBM is a unit of Local Tech, a Chinese company headquartered in Nanjing, Jiangsu, China. We also have a second LFP factory under construction, which is being built by BTR New Material Group in Morowali, Sulawesi. Many EV cars in Indonesia, most of them Chinese brands, are already using LFP battery. Wuling Air EV, BYD, and Chery, to name a few. Even domestic companies like Electrum, a joint venture between coal producer TBS Energi Utama and tech firm Gojek Tokopedia, are making electric scooters that mostly use LFP. Does Indonesia have what it takes to develop both nickel and LFP? We will see about that. But one thing is for sure, our nickel industry is already producing severe environmental and social problems. We have to safeguard the LFP development so that it does not repeat the same pattern. So there you go. I want to know your thoughts. Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to check out our other videos in the series. Thank you for watching and see you on the next episode.